So I filled up the water in my bathroom so that we have water in case the electricity runs out. And then now it's starting to rain. Not looking good outside. Not looking good at all.
Low pressure, which is a hurricane. Everything rotates counterclockwise. Now remember, it's going to move and then make a hook to the right tonight and tomorrow.
And there's the rain. Yay. Eating grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup, and someone's car is ruined. It's been beeping for like who knows how long, so their car probably got messed up. It was like beeping like quietly, and then it started beeping like off and on, and now it's doing that loud beep, and it's making a weak sound. That thing is definitely messed up, isn't it? Yeah. That thing is destroyed. The car doesn't usually sound like that, right? Yeah.
No, it does not.
It doesn't at all. It's like... So that car's messed up, for sure. Those are one of the things that are probably going to happen throughout that thing. Right there.
It does look like though it's going to
take
more of a northeasterly turn.
So how much miles per hour would that be? What do you think it would be? In the 60s and 70s. Yeah, so I was thinking 60s and 70s. Oh, you hear that? I heard something come off and fly off. Did you hear that? And here we are like 20 minutes later. And you said like the strongest part was Thomas, right?
Well, that's right, yeah.
I know, but it's kicking up a lot. And I heard a lot of noise too. So it's kicking up. Camera's going wild. Look at that. You can even see the rain dropping down that quick. Look how. I'm gonna suck for anyone who's walking out there. It just got crazy. It is 11:21, and you know, during the other videos, it was around 10:30, 40, and the hurricane's getting closer, obviously. And look how crazy the rain is. Total downpour. There's a lot of debris over there. There's a tree down over there. The tree fell down. Just breaking my screen.
It's this power line right here.
Oh man. That's not safe. Yes. Oh dang. That's not good. Porta potty fell. Dang, that roof is destroyed. Is that even an open place? I'm not even sure. Dang. Where are all these shrimp boats? stop motion.
Afraid.
Home Depot sign is destroyed. This bench was under water. Look at that. It's all caught in there. Fell over. Which isn't good. Pretty bad. Dang. Probably the most damaged thing I've seen so far, huh? Yep. There's a boat over there. So you said that the wall, people like to dump, like, I've seen a couch for like a year and a half over here before. Yeah.